Hi there, good morning. I'm Lisa from Mythical Witchery. Welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you. This is the Heartwood Tarot by Three Trees Tarot in the UK. This arrived yesterday and I've just gotten a chance now to open it up and take a look. I was really excited and wanted to just get into it. And then I thought, no, I want to share this experience with you. So I have opened the mailer and the box inside, but I haven't looked at anything. So let's do that together. The first thing I want to comment on is some people wonder about the cardstock that Stephanie from Three Trees Tarot has chosen. And she has gone with a stock that is completely eco-friendly, and that includes the vegetable-based inks. And this impresses me a lot because even her mailers are 100% recycled materials. She is so committed to the environment when she produces her decks that she tries to keep her carbon footprint as low as possible. And the decks, I actually don't find them difficult to shuffle. And I have like advanced arthritis. I can't speak for everybody. Some people will definitely struggle with a deck that's thicker like hers are. But personally, I'm okay with it. And I also think that the decks themselves are definitely worth it. So all of that said, let's have a look here. Oh my God. I was so excited when Stephanie sent me a prototype of this deck several months ago, which I shared with you. And I did a full flip through of that. But now this is the actual deck and I can't wait. Look at this cute little mouse. Isn't he adorable? So I will be putting it in this bag. This is what I've got I keep saying I apologize, the prototype in, and I'll be taking that out and replacing it with the actual deck. Isn't this bag gorgeous? It's so cute. This is created by Louise from Crystal Haven UK, and she is on Etsy. She also has a website, and I will link that in the description box below if you want the perfect bag. I contacted her after I got my prototype, and I said, Louise, I need a bag that is perfect for this deck. And I showed her what the card backs look like, and she designed this bag for me, and which I'm just so delighted about. And then she made it available on her shop. So please go check it out if you were looking for the perfect bag for actually any Three Trees Tarot decks. Louise makes gorgeous bags. So let's look inside here. Okay, so there's a sticker. I think that it is, yes, it is a sticker. And oh, that's so cute. This is, I'm assuming this is the Ten of Swords. Yeah, it is. The Ten of Swords. So there's the sticker. There's a thank you card from Three Trees Tarot with their socials and all that information. Oh, I love this. It's so cute. This is from, give me a moment here, my brain is Thistledown. That's what it is. This is from the Thistledown Oracle, which is a perfect pairing for this deck if you're looking for the ideal Oracle deck to go with, honestly, with any of her decks. The Thistledown is perfect. So what is all of this? So we've got a bunch of stickers, the little bunny, a little hedgehog, oh, a little mouse. Is that, oh no, that's not a hedgehog, that's a mouse. Oh, so a whole bunch of the mouse. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They're so cute. Oh, I love these stickers. I love that she sends all of this. Now, what is this? Okay, so this is the certificate of authenticity for the Heartwood deck, and my deck is number 26. And pictured on the back is the Devil card. They've all got the little stamp on them. And a little bit of paper here. And this says, "Dear friend, nestled within the cozy corners of this old cottage that we affectionately call Heartwood, mysteries are afoot. And just like the creatures hiding in the darkest shadows, these mysteries eagerly await your discovery. Though you may occasionally hear eerie sounds floating in the distance, the creatures living within these walls are just a bit curious about you. You see, it's been ages since anyone has wandered through their home, tucked deep within the forest, so they may stir with curiosity, eager to catch a glimpse of someone new. It's important to keep your eyes open as you move from room to room, but don't be afraid. Although this cottage can feel like the loneliest of places, this couldn't be further from the truth. There are signs of magic all around you. You just need to know where to look. So what are you waiting for? It's time to move boldly into the unknown and begin your new adventure. Trust yourself and embrace uncertainty, because who knows what could be waiting around the corner. Warmly, Heartwood." Oh, that's beautiful. What a great introduction to this deck. Now, what do we have here? We've got another little envelope. And I'm not certain. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, so this is an announcement of her next deck, and it's called The Winding, coming soon. Oh my goodness. I am terrified of spiders, but he is so cute. These little guys, oh my God, they're adorable. Okay, now what does this say? The Winding, created by Stephanie Burrows, illustrated by Adam Ohlers, the unbelievably talented Adam Ohlers, who does all of her decks. This says, "A note from the creator. Enclosed is a sneak peek of our next tarot deck, The Winding, where a spider will be our fool. I understand that not everyone may be fond of spiders, but I hope you give this little one a chance." The story behind the cards. The deck follows the journey of a spider who lives in an old wooden shed. Venturing from their comfortable, familiar surroundings, they travel through the forest to the nearest village. A village can be a dangerous place for a spider because, well, they're a spider and spiders can be scary, but in their mind, this is simply not the case. They don't even know what being scary is. Why I'm creating this deck. I've always wanted to make a tarot deck featuring an adorable spider. It was one of my earliest ideas, even before Oak, Ash, and Thorn, our first tarot deck, and it stuck with me ever since. It's a passion project, and I completely understand that this may not be everyone's cup of tea, but if I didn't create it, I would absolutely regret not doing so, and regrets are the worst, aren't they? Absolutely. The Winding will invite you to embrace your sense of wonder and curiosity. You'll see the world through a lens of adventure and limitless possibility. And even though the world can seem like a very, very big place, an exciting journey lies ahead indeed. And for all the latest spidery news, sign up to our mailing list at threetreestarot.co.uk. So there you go. There is a sneak peek at the upcoming deck by Three Trees Tarot, and I can't wait to see it. Okay, what do we have here? Instructions: feeling stuck and uncertain about what's ahead, wondering which path to take, simply flip over and scratch the foil seal to reveal a simple yes or no answer. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to save it for when I need it. discovery. In a cozy dark corner, our curious fool stumbles upon an illuminated mason jar on a rustic wooden table. Intrigued, the mouse leans in, placing their little paws on the glass, gazing at the beautiful shining star captured inside. They have discovered a magical sight indeed. What could it mean? And yeah, so these are just cards. I'm assuming these are, samples of the extra cards that she added into the deck, Oracle style cards. So the next one is Unease. But we'll be looking at these in a moment, so I won't spend too much time on them. And Home here. So just little art cards. All right. Okay. So, and these packing peanuts are made from starch. They're biodegradable, fully dissolvable in water. As always, everything in here is eco-friendly. Put this box aside. Okay, so here is the deck. This is what we've all been waiting for months. This is so pretty. The boxes are, even though they're tuck boxes, they're really, really good quality. The bottoms are glued down, so you don't get a lot of the issues that you tend to have with a tuck box. So I do tend to take them out of the boxes anyway, just to protect them and keep them safe, and put them in bags. The only decks that I normally put in bags are ones that are from tuck boxes. So this is Heartwood, and this is volume 5, which is their 5th deck. This is the little divination coin. Gosh, look at how beautifully wrapped. And so I almost don't want to untie this. Okay, let's see if I can just slide this off somehow here. I might need to cut it. Sorry, I was just trying to reach for my little scissors. Oh, I really do hate to cut that. That's so cute. It's really so cute. Look how she's got that all tied up there. But let's just cut the cord. Look at this cute little charm. Don't know how well you can see that little bird there. Oh, so cute. She really goes above and beyond in her presentation of things. I think Stephanie is pretty wonderful. Okay. And here we've got a couple more little cards from the deck and instructions on using the divination coin. If the coin lands sleepy side facing up, it might be telling you to no, wait, or avoid, or it might point to something improbable or likely. If the coin lands alert side facing up, it might be telling you yes, proceed, or engage, or it might point to something possible or imaginable. And here is the coin, and I went for the silver edition. The light is not the best here to really see this, but oh, he's so cute. So this will be the alert side. And look at the, oh my gosh, these are from the deck. It's so cute. There's this one card where it shows all of her decks, like their little books, Oak, Ash, and Thorn, and Thistledown. And oh, it's so cute. Look at him sleeping. And that is the same as what is on the back of the deck. So I love that little divination coin. That is so cute. Okay, just going to put this aside now. And as this is what we've all been waiting for, well, while I've been taking my time with all of this. Now look at this box here. So we've got the thumb opening here, and then it opens a little bit back here so that it's easy to get the cards out, and then equally easy to get them back in. And I know you can't see this, but there's no lip inside the box, so the cards don't get caught like they usually do on a tuck box. These are so well designed. It's really amazing. Okay. So, and this deck has a bunch of extra cards as well, Oracle style cards. There's the cover front and back just to protect it. So I'll just remove those. There is a thank you card. And then included in this, again, because she's going as eco-friendly as possible, she does not make a physical guidebook, but she does provide a digital guidebook on purchase and also the keyword cards. So you've got one card that has the major arcana front to back, and then another card that has 2 suits on each. So this has the swords and the cups, and then the wands and the pentacles. So very handy, easy to keep together with your deck. Now this cardstock is a matte cardstock, and it is 400 GSM. So she went with the heavier cardstock so that it will hold up for the long term. And it's the most eco-friendly that she could get. And again, printed with vegetable-based ink. This art is the back. You see that cute little mouse sleeping there? It's really cute. Okay, I'm going to zoom in nice and close, and we will go through all of these cards one by one. All right, so this is the Fool, and here we have our little mouse, our little Heartwood mouse, who has just come out of the woods, and he's looking at this little cottage that is hiding in the woods. It is an abandoned cottage, but it's not abandoned because there's all kinds of life in there. So he is beginning his journey. How cute is he? Look at that little guy. And the Magician. And here's our little Fool looking up at the Magician. And there are so many Easter eggs in this deck as well, where there are references to her other decks, which is really so cute. And I know I'm not going to remember them all off the top of my head, but if I do as I'm going through, I will point them out. So this is the High Priestess. Here's our little Fool. The Empress. Here, this picture on the wall here is the Empress from Oak, Ash, and Thorn. So that's just one of the little Easter eggs. Here we've got the Emperor. There's a fox coming down the stairs here, and our little mouse is looking up at him. The Hierophant. The Lovers. And again, another reference back to the Oak, Ash, and Thorn. In that deck, the Lovers card was the 2 foxes that we see in this picture that is framed on the wall. And our little Fool is looking down at those. This is the alternate Lovers card. And see, he's seeing himself here reflected back in this jar. So there is an alternate Lover's card and an alternate devil card. And as you'll see when we get to them, one has the two foxes and one has him with his little bottle. So just keep that in mind. So when we get there, we'll remember that's the Chariot. The prototype was beautiful, but it is definitely much richer colors in the actual deck here. Here, our little fool is looking at a snake. How perfect for a strength card. A little lemniscate here. And the Hermit. Oh. I am so in love with this deck. When I got the prototype, I could barely put it down. The Wheel of Fortune. Love this clock. Justice. The Hanged Mouse. Death. He's giving that little bird a last cuddle. Gosh, there's such a beautiful energy in this deck. Temperance. Really beautiful energy. The Devil. So here we've got, again, those foxes in the picture frames and the same foxes from the Oak, Ash, and Thorn. Look at him looking at that. Looks a little bit like he's feeling some trepidation there. And there's the alternate Devil card. Him with the little bottle. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. I love how he's sleeping on this little boot here. There's the light from the moon streaming through that opening in the bricks. The Sun. Such a magical cottage. I mean, there's nobody that lives there that could be doing something like making a pot of tea. And yet, there's steam coming out of that teapot. I just love this deck so much. Judgment. I'm looking at himself in the mirror, evaluating himself. And the World. Now we've got the extra cards, which are the Oracle style cards. And she always adds these Oracle style cards to her decks. It just adds so much value to the deck. Here we've got Unease. He does look very uneasy, doesn't he? Looking at this little statue of a mouse, wondering what is going on there. Gosh, the colors are so beautiful. Such a lovely palette. Discovery. So here's that same star that we saw in the star card, and now it's in this jar. Oh, lighting up the jar. Tend. That candle looks like a snail. You can see the little snail here. his little body. That is so sweet. Surprise. This little birdie, he's looking up. He knows exactly where that mouse is. Holding the star. Home. And I think that's it for the extra cards. And then moving into the cups, we've got the ace. The 2 of cups. The 3. I'm just going to move these to the side as they are approaching the same height, so the camera will start to focus on them. 4. 5 of cups. 6. 7. 8 of cups. 9. 10 of cups. Page. The Knight. Queen. So pretty. And the King of Cups. And moving into the Pentacles. That was a jelly bean hair. 2 of Pentacles that I just brushed away there. There's still little orange hairs laying around here and there. 3 of Pentacles. 4. 5 of Pentacles. 6. 7. 8 of Pentacles. 9. 10. 8 of Pentacles. Knight. Love the snail. Queen of Pentacles. And the King. And the swords. 2. Brambles here. There's that little spider. 3 of swords. 4. Love this little cat sleeping here. 5 of Swords, 6, 7, 8 of Swords, 9, 10 of Swords, grief, sorrow, despair. Such a nice cardstock. Like, it really feels nice. Page of Swords. It's got a lovely matte finish. Knight. Here we got the oak, ash, and thorn, and the smoke, ash, and embers on the book. Queen of Swords. King. And then the wands. Sitting on the little door latch there. The 2. 3. 4. 5. 6 of Wands. Love those butterflies. 7. 8. 9. 10 of Wands. He looks like he's exhausted. Page. Knight. Queen. And the King. Okay, I'm going to zoom out the camera, give these a shuffle, and have a few final words before we end the video. Okay, so as you can see, it is a very thick deck. They are thick cards, but if this is like the prototype, it will be not too bad to shuffle at all. If you find it too difficult, you can always divide it into 2 piles, which I sometimes do. Just because with arthritis, it can be really hard to. So if you split it into 2 like that, and then just mix them up. It's definitely a lot easier. Okay, so just a few final thoughts here. Oh, there's the Hermit. I love Three Trees Tarot's decks. I think Stephanie has incredible vision, She is, well, she's a lovely person, and she makes really gorgeous decks. And Adam is a very gifted artist. They work so well together. I love this deck. I really love this deck. And this pairs so perfectly with their Thistledown. It's just, yeah, amazing. Really amazing. Can't wait to see the new deck whenever she is ready to release more information on it. So what do you think? Love to hear your thoughts, your opinions. Share them in the comments down below the video. I do read and respond to absolutely everything. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today, watching this video. I hope that you have a wonderful day. And until next time, may love and laughter light your days. Bye for now.